Okay, let's solve this problem. So sabi, find the circle of curvature ng x equal to y cube at 1, 1. So try lang natin i-solve. Ganun lang din, katulad ng procedure natin kanina. So first thing to do is to find the first y prime at 1, 1 and then double y prime at 1, 1 din. Then saka natin isa-substitute sa formula ng kappa and then para makuha 0, which is 1 over kappa, and then also para makuha din yung value ng mga h minus k. Then x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared natin. So makuha natin yung h later on sa k. Okay, so gawin natin explicit form. So we have y cubed is equal to x third. Y prime 1/3 times x raised to negative 1/3 minus 1 is 2/3. Okay? Ay, wag na natin lagyan dyan. Ayan. Okay? At 1, 1, anong value niya? 1 raised to negative 2/3. Still, if you do calculator, ang sagot pa rin dyan ay 1/3. Other hand, kunin natin yung second derivative of 1/3 times negative 2/3 times x raised to negative 2/3 minus 5/3 na pala kasi minus 1 ulit. We have 5 over 3. So at 1, 1 is times 1 raised to negative 5 over 3, still negative 2 over 9. Okay? So ngayon, substitute na po natin siya sa formula natin. Yung formula natin kanina, which is kappa curvature is equal to y prime all over 1 plus y prime squared raised to 3 over 2. So we can get a value na equal sa negative 2 over 9 all over 1 plus 1/3 squared is 1 over 9 plus 3 over 2. Okay? Or pwede pala natin i-director na row na, which is baliktarin lang natin, which is 1 plus 1 over 9, 3 over 2 all over negative 2 over 9. Since absolute value yung kailangan natin later on. So simplify ko lang nasa taas. Unahin ko muna to. Itong part na to. So we can have LCD na 9. So 9 plus 1 is just equal to 10 over 9. Which is square root yan. Pero bago ang square root, naka-cube pa siya to the na naka-square root. So equivalent siya sa square root ng 1,000 over square root ng 9 cube. 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81 times 9 is 729. Okay? So rho is equal to square root ng 1,000 over square root ng 729 is 27. All over negative 2 over 9. So rho, we can have square root ng 1,000 all over 27 times 9 over 2 na lang, no? Absolute value naman kasi. Multiply naman siya, so hindi naman siya makakapit. So cancel. Lowest term natin magiging 3. And then we can have rho square root ng 1,000. We can have 100 times 10 all over 6. Okay, so we can have rho is equal to 10 square root of 10 all over 6. Or rho is equal to 5 square root of 10 over 3. So ito yung pinaka-radius na natin. Okay po. Next, kunin na natin yung iba pang part. Ano yung hinahanap? We have the A or pinaka-H natin, which is x plus, minus y prime times 1 plus y prime squared all over double y prime. So we can have 1, kasi at 1, 1, di ba? Ang x natin ay 1 minus y prime is 1/3 times 1 plus 1 over 9 ulit all over negative 2 over 9. O dito, kasama yung negative, no? Hindi naman absolute value siya. So, 1 minus 1/3 times 1 plus 1 over 9 still, ito pa rin, 10 over 9 yun. 10 over 9 all over negative 2 over 9. So, we have 10 over 27 times 9 over negative 2. So, we have 1 minus, cancel to 3, 1, ito ay 5, ito mo, magiging negative 5 over 3. So, 1 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 8 over 3. So, yun yung value ng ating x. A or h. On other hand, if we kung natin kunin si k or yung b, which is equal to y plus 1 plus y prime squared all over double prime. So, magiging equal lang sa 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 9 all over negative 2 over 9. So, magiging 1 plus 10 over 9 times 9 over negative 2. So, cancel na to. 5, cancel na din to. So, ito ay 1 minus 5 kasi negative to. So, we have negative 4. Okay? So, our equation will be equal sa x minus 8 over 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared is equal saan? O, pag in-squared natin to, magiging 5 square root of 10, 3 squared. So, magiging equal ngayon siya sa 25 lang pala. 25 times 10 all over 9, which is 250 over 9. So, we can have 250 over 9. So, answer. So, mas tatanggapin natin ang sagot na naka-ganto. Okay po. So, ayan yung first part. Ito yung first part ng solution. Tapos, diretso dito. So, question. So, this will be the answer for this example number 2. Okay, thank you.